You can also easily insert audio file inside of Microsoft Sway document and then have users play it. So in order to do that, I'm just going to click on insert content right here, and then I'm going to go to media. So once I go here, you can see that audio is an option. So I'm just going to click on audio. So once I click on it here, it says add an audio file, or I have an option to record this as well. So I'm just going to add an audio file right here to get started with, and then I'm going to go to suggested, and I'm going to go to my device, or you can go to my device from here as well. So I'm just going to go to my device and then navigate around on my computer to go around and search for an audio file. So I'm just going to go around over here, and then I'm going to go around into my audio file just like this, and I'm going to insert this music 8-year anniversary and open that out. So now that'll be uploaded here. So the format that I'm uploading is MP3 format. So MP3 or AAC, like these formats are supported in Sway documents. So it is getting uploaded, as you can see. And now it says that we are preparing your audio. That is, it is converting the audio so that it can be easily played out in devices. And now the audio is uploaded. So you can add in a caption right here. So I'm just going to say music just like that. And then you can go on to the play area right here, and let's see how this looks like. So you can see that there's a music player right here. So if you were to press the play button, then it loads the audio and plays it out. And you can see that that's the audio which is played out. So you got the volume control right here, and you got the play button. So that's it to it. So let us go back onto the editing area right here, and let's see another way to insert audio, and that is to record it. So to do that, I'm just going to press on insert content right here, and I'm going to go to media, and then I'm going to click on audio. So once I do that, of course, I can add in an audio file. The other option right here is to record an audio. So if I were to click on record, it says, let Sway access your microphone. So if you're using a browser, this might be a browser pop-up. So since I'm using an app, I'm getting this type of a notification. So what I want to do is I'm just going to say yes. So once I do that, let Sway access your camera. So if you want the Sway to access your camera as well, you can do that. So it's quite safe to do that as well. So it says get ready. 3, 2, 1. Hello, and this is a test audio recording for Microsoft Sway tutorial series. So you can pause this out and resume. Keep on learning. And then I can stop this out as well. So I'm just going to stop this, and what happens is that I have a preview right here. So I have option to re-record, delete, or play this out. So let me just play this out. Hello, and this is a test audio. So you can hear my audio. So I see that it is fine. So I'm just going to click on add to Sway. So the file is being uploaded for processing as it says. So it does take a bit time depending on your internet connection, and then it uploads and processes the file for you. And the audio is ready. So if I were to go on to the play section, design section right here, you'll be able to see this. So let me just click on the preview section right here. And then I'm going to press the play button right here. So once I do that, the audio will be loaded and the voiceover will be played out. Hello, and this is a test audio recording for Microsoft Sway tutorial series. Keep on learning. So that's the audio as you can hear out. So we can go back and work around with the audio just like that in the storyline and insert audio or record audio as we wish. So that's how you can work with audios inside of Microsoft Sway. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.